Has anybody except from me told you that you're beautiful?
Always.
What?
Say, are you alone of you?
You must say I'm married.
No. Why would I do that?
My husband tells me that all the while. That's why you should reply and say, my husband tells me that all the while.
That's
my territory.
Last part now, you're going to go pan the chop. So stick more shell and you know, try.
Yeah, and we're gonna get some food at Fromage. Came here once before and it was pretty good.
Stuff from the curves. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. 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 Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs.
Hey you. Hey beautiful, what's up? How you doing? Welcome to our channel. Hey beautiful, welcome to our channel. And I get some handsome out there to go. You have to go.
Hey handsomes. Welcome back to our channel.
Stuff from the cuff where we give you fire.
We're fun.
We're inspirational.
We're real.
And we're educational.
Very real.
Summer stuff. Run it.
I stole my stuff. I stole my stuff.
Stole my stuff?
What? I stole my stuff from the cuffs.
Alright.
It's summer stuff. It's summer stuff. Where am I supposed to put this? Summer stuff.
Garbage?
Yeah. From stuff from the cuffs. No, you don't want the right. I saw my stuff. I saw my stuff. I saw my stuff with
Stuff from the cuffs.
Hey, I saw my stuff.
I saw my stuff.
I saw my stuff with
stuff from the cuffs. We are drive to our town every day with our frown. Pass looking so brown. Bleach, yeah, bleach. And I reach, and I beat and teach. And anyway, big ups, Cuff Links. Welcome to our new subscribers. I am Brian Cuff.
Yes, Cecilia Barnaby Cuff.
Alright.
And I just want to take time out to say you're handsome.
And to you who are beautiful, you're beautiful.
Yes.
So family, we were just looking on Instagram on a post that was made. Long and short, a lady was complaining about a guy who complimented her on being beautiful, and she was upset because he just took his girlfriend to Greece, and she knew all the details, you know, and got engaged. And she said she felt he was out of pocket because, and she added that he's handsome and her type, but he just took his girlfriend to Greece. And he was giving her some advice regarding to the gym, and he was telling her that, you know, when she gets a boyfriend, she won't have to do the massage and the bone rolling, if you know what that is. And she found it out of pocket. She's upset that he complimented her.
No, she wasn't even initially upset at that. She said, oh no, nobody wants to date me.
Oh yes.
And his response was,
you'll get a boyfriend in time.
You'll get a boyfriend because you're beautiful, and walked away. And she know that all over TikTok, I made the man a topic of discussion on Twitter. Because according to her, he shouldn't have told her that she's beautiful. Because he has a girlfriend, a fiance. And even though he is her type and he's very handsome, he shouldn't have said that to her. First of all...
So, Mrs. Cuff, before you get to first of all, has anybody except from me told you that you're beautiful?
Always.
What?
Say, are you alone of you?
And you've been entertaining this beautiful talk?
I say thank you. And that's it.
You're empowering them.
Oh, well. I don't know what about that empowers anybody. Tell me we're beautiful and I say thank you. With a smile.
You must say I'm married.
No. Why would I do that?
My husband tells me that all the while. That's why you should reply and say, my husband tells me that all the while. Or, thank you, my husband says that all the while.
I don't need to do do that. Somebody giving me
You
a
must mark my
compliment.
territory.
Somebody giving me a compliment does not mean
I
that
don't
they're...
need you to compliment me. I have a husband.
Oh yeah, so my husband don't compliment me 24/7.
You want me to
No.
compliment you?
No, what I'm saying is there's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong with somebody complimenting me does not translate to them
Flirting.
taking a shot or flirting.
That is it. And you know, sometimes I go to places and I say hello, good afternoon, how are you? And some of the ladies respond as if, like, I'm not looking you. I hate it, you see, man. Come on, courtesy is considered flirting or inappropriate.
Or basic chivalry, opening the
No,
door.
man.
I don't know. Maybe it is that them not used to good things.
And then with all of these new laws and harassment policies and whatever in
You have to be
workplaces,
so careful for
better
real.
just keep everything to yourself. Good morning, good evening, goodbye. But how about if I tell somebody else that they're beautiful? How you feel? How would you feel if your husband of 10 years looks at a other female or other females and say you're beautiful?
What? I don't have a problem.
You don't think I'm being inappropriate to tell
What?
somebody they're beautiful?
No. If somebody beautiful, then beautiful. You're not blind. And I know for a fact that if you tell somebody that they're beautiful, you're not telling them to flirt with them or you're looking them. So if you're beautiful, you're beautiful.
Suppose me tell somebody say you thick.
No, then you want a thick lick. That is what you want.
What? If I look at a female and say, say you thick,
Yeah, man, you need a thick lick by your bottom lip.
you're still advocating abuse and violence?
That's not abuse. Your mother feel just slap you
if
by your
I,
lip.
my mother?
Yes.
Oh, which my
Not
mother?
me.
Huh?
Slap you by your lip.
So if me say, does it depend on how I say it?
How you say and what you say.
So I can't say, you thick, you know?
Me can't go along say that if you're a G.I. Joe, I don't know you what. A lot of things have to do with what you say and how you say and whatever.
And the relationship you have with people too. Yeah?
I mean, I see you tell nobody say, oh, you're
You
sick.
think?
I don't like to
Thick
see you do
ass.
that. I don't have a problem if you tell anybody that they're beautiful.
Is it how or what I say? Because if I say, let's say that girl is my coworker, and if I go to her,
And I bat your eye and I lick your lips, you're
I don't bat my eye, please, level,
You're
level,
beautiful.
and I say, so let's have the conversation. So pretend you're the girl, you're my coworker.
Oh, nobody don't want that with me. Oh, God.
That's not how the girl sounded. The girl sound desperate, man.
She's like, oh, nobody would want to date me.
And I said, what do you mean? You're beautiful.
So, wait, make your voice gone down, so. Why your voice gone
You're
down?
beautiful. Somebody will make somebody a happy husband.
No, you go too far now.
Mhm.
You're beautiful,
Your
full stop.
eyes are so radiant.
I don't know you want a lick by your top lip.
Yeah, so I really think it is how it is said and what is said.
And based on what she said, I don't think he said it in any way. He literally said it and gone in business.
Yeah, she set up herself wicked because she laid it out. She made the comment, he made the comment. Him said, "No man, you're beautiful." All right, let's do it again. Let's do the conversation again.
No, I don't think nobody would want to date me.
No man, not say that. You're beautiful and thing, man. In your time it will come.
Alright. And the man just gone about his
Man, gone
business.
about his business.
And she take it to heart.
Wow, it's a crazy world out there.
I just think sometimes people just need to stay off the internet. Their Wi-Fi need to cut off. And them phone bill need to cut off because I just feel like sometimes people just don't have anything to say.
I think it's ridiculous.
And don't have any. And it's ridiculous to be stirring up something like this on the internet over a man who is about to get married.
And here's the thing now. You see, because of how social media works, there are people who are going to take that one incident and apply it to their realities. And it never have no place in their realities, you know. And because of what this one person saying it go viral now, them are going to start, it's going to affect their relationship.
Hopefully the man and his fiancée are solid enough to be able to shake this off.
Hopefully his fiancé is mature enough.
Yeah, mature and solid enough to be able to shake this off because it wouldn't matter to me. it wouldn't matter to me.
It's crazy. It's crazy. And as you rightfully said, I would be more concerned if no other man has ever told you that you're beautiful, or that you look good, or that your boy Brian, your wife sweet, you know, your wife a gold. Yeah? If them start go in now and start say, Brian, your wife sexy, you know, your wife fat, you know.
So babe.
Can't go so.
So everybody else.
Can't go nowhere. It's
So-
all this blocked out.
So we're very sure.
When there's a will, there's a way. Can't last. So yeah, guys, let's hear your comments, your feedback.
You know what I think? You gonna try to turn back?
Yeah.
You know what I think? If he was not her type, if he was a man who she think ugly and whatever, it wouldn't have been an issue. But true, she in her feelings, you know, like, oh my God,
Yeah, nobody
he's married. He's
off
about to be
the market,
married.
no.
He's off the market. And sometimes men being off the market makes it more attractive to females. So I just think it's because he's her type. She has found him handsome. The whole works. That's the reason why she behaving the way she behaved. You need to go find something. Do you know how to work for though? You have to work for though by people and work with to want to work. You have to go find something and do. But let us know what you think, guys, in the comments.
We're on our way to
Lost for
Lost the
Star.
Star again.
This is week 3. We have one more week after. Alright, let us know what you think. We'll see you in the next video. It's another summer stuff from the cuffs.
How you doing, man? Don't show up nice, don't show up nice. So, you're gonna learn how to dance, baby. Freeze and stick. See? You're gonna show them, say, a big dance. Freeze, make them say. Now we go! Say, shake up your body. Shake up your body, shake up. Shake up. All right, so you're gonna keep on now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, you have got neck back now. Neck back. Alright, last part now, you have got pan your chop. So stick more shell and you know, try.
Stuff from the curves. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. 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 Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs.